What is up, LNS fam? If you are a Yeezy fan, then you're in for a treat because we're going to be doing a mega, super, ultimate, I don't know what to call it, but we're going to be unboxing multiple. I said multiple. As you can see, the box is in front of you. We're going to be unboxing a lot of Yeezys. So let's go. Before we continue with this mega, super, ultimate, or the godfather of Yeezy unboxing, let me just remind you that we have ongoing giveaways. We're giving away up to 4 Yeezy 380 Alien, and we're also giving away a 20,000 or almost $400 worth of sneaker shoppings. All you need to do is check out the description box down below for all the details. Okay guys, so are you ready to do this massive unboxing of all these Yeezy boxes? So what I'm gonna do is start with the 500s, then I will go on with the 350s and then the rest. So let's start first with this one. This is a Yeezy 500 and it's called the Blush. This is actually the OG colorway of the Yeezy 500s. So here it is. So yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is one of the most expensive Yeezy 500 that is on the market. Since it's an OG colorway, as you know, all the Yeezys, of course, whenever there's an OG colorway, that is the most expensive colorway. So yeah, so yes, this is the Blush. Up next, we have another 500, and this is another expensive colorway. With regards to 500, Yeezy 500s, and this is called the Utility Black. So here it is. Okay, this is the other pair. So this is actually a more wearable colorway because of its color. Of course, it's black. It's actually not really that black. It is more of like a dark gray or charcoal. Then we have another Yeezy 500, and this one was actually released recently, about a couple of months ago. So this is the last Yeezy 500 that, no, it's not the last. The last one is the stone. This is actually called the Soft Vision. So yeah, here it is. This is the second to the last Yeezy 500 that Yeezy have released last year, 2019. So yeah, here's the other pair. Boom. So guys, here are all the Yeezy 500s. Now, I'm gonna put them all down because I don't have enough space for my other unboxing. So, next up, we will be unboxing 350s. So I'll start first with one of the, or the oldest from this batch. So this was actually released last I think mid-year of 2019. This is part of a regional pack, and this was exclusively released in the US, and these are called the Landmarks. So yep, these are the Landmarks. These were the first of this kind, I mean this silhouette, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the first of this silhouette that didn't have the pull tab the back. So this is the Landmark. This is a regional release, only available in the Americas. Then I have another sneaker that is part of that regional release, and these are the Sids. So here it is. So this was exclusively released in Asia and the Pacific. So amongst all the colorways, there's another one which is called Antlia. which I didn't get because I don't really like it. I don't like the color of it. This one I prefer the most amongst all this regional pack. So yeah, here are the 350s. Actually, I still have more 350s over here, but this is, since these pairs almost released at the same time, so I unboxed them first. So Longmar, and the other one, this one is the Sin, which is the regional exclusive for Asia and the Pacific. Now let's move on to this box. This is another 350, and this Yeezy 350 was released last December. It's actually part of, not sure if this is legitimate or confirmed, but as part of their biblical pack. These are called the Israels. So this is the green colorway. I also like this pair because it's also unique, although it has similarities with the frozen yellows. However, I prefer this better than the frozen yellows because I don't like the supply 350 on the side of the frozen yellows. So yeah, these are the Yeezy 350 Israels. Then up next, I have another one. This is another 350, but this one is in a reflective and glow-in-the-dark version of the Israels. So here it is. So this one, I think, in my opinion, is probably one of the best releases. Of course, apart from my glow in the dark, because this one glows in the dark, the whole sneaker glows in the dark. This one, the midsole and the outsole glows in the dark, and the upper actually has 3M reflective. So yeah, these are the Israel's reflective version. So yeah, I like this because, as mentioned, apart from it being glow in the dark, it also have a reflective material on it. So yeah, these are the Yeezy Israel's non-reflective and reflective version. So now up next, we have two more 350s, which I'll be unboxing. Let me just put this down so I have enough space in front of me. So yeah, this one was also released last December. Actually, all of these boxes were released last December. And this, you probably know what is this. These are the other part of the biblical pack. These are called the Yechil or Yechil. Whatever it's pronounced, I'm not really sure. However, it looks nice. Yep, so here it is. Get the other one. By the way, shout out to RC because he was the one who helped me get a pair of these on retail coming from Japan. So he hooked me up so I can get a pair of these Yechil. I also have the reflective version of this one, which is this inside this box. These are called the Yechil. I don't know, sorry. This is the reflective version. So this is actually compared to the Israels. These are not full reflective on top. It's only, if I'm not mistaken, the pink stitching. Those are the only parts that has reflective material. So basically, it's on this side and on the bottom here. So yeah, these are the reflective version. Okay. So now we're done with all my 350 unboxings. Let us go to the 380s. Yes, I got another 380 because most of you probably know that my original pair of the 380s is already cut in half, and we're actually doing a giveaway. We're giving away up to 4 of these sneakers. All you need to do is check out the description box down below for all the mechanics. So yeah, finally I have another pair of the 380 Aliens. So this one, I promise I won't cut it in half because I really love this pair. That's why I got another one. This is definitely the best Yeezy for me, in my opinion, in terms of comfort. So yeah, these are the Yeezy 380 Aliens. This is the other sneakers. Yeah. So yeah, definitely I won't be cutting this in half. And then lastly, of course, you probably saw it already. This is a 700, and definitely this is the last Yeezy release, or this was the last sneakers that was released by Yeezy in 2019. These are called the Yeezy 700 V3 Azael. Boom. Wow. These are actually nicer in person. Looks really nice. You get the other pair. Boom. So yeah, these are my mega unboxing, super unboxing. What else should we call it? The godfather of all Yeezy unboxing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the sneakers that I've shown you. Anyway, just to remind you, we have an ongoing giveaway. We have actually 2 giveaways that are ongoing. The other one I just mentioned, the Yeezy 380 Alien, we're giving away up to 4 of those sneakers. And then the other one, we're also giving away a 20,000 or almost $400 worth of sneaker shopping. All the details for all these giveaways are on the description box down below, so please check it out, and I hope you could join this giveaways. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.